what you say now. Tell me what you say, come again. If you cannot stay down, then you do not have to pretend like there is no way out. I should've never let you in, cause you got me face down. And don't take this personal. You're the worst, you know what you've done to me. And although it hurts, I know I just can't keep running away. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. Tell me what you say now, tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal. But you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse than you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you, 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 but I want you, but I want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I just lost hope. Love you. Everybody's like he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one night him. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it. Cause I usually do, stick to the business. But you came out the blue, and then you just flipped it. Goddamn baby, my mind's blown. Be forgetting you live in a different time zone. Think I know what this is, just the time's wrong. Yeah, I know what you did, but baby, I'm grown. And my love is patient and kind and shit. This is where we could build through different types of shit. You was really the realest, wouldn't be fighting it. I think your pride is just in the way. Funny how everything changed once you got all that you wanted. Nothing was ever the same. And though I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I still want you. I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, I don't mean to, but I love you. I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, I don't need you, but I want you.
Say, little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the school, I can get them both, I don't wanna choose. And I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. Now she say she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see. Cardi B, you know where I'm at, you know where I be. You in the club, since you party, I'm there, I get paid to be. I be in and out them things so much, I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't bond of me. Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months, no bitch working as hard as me. I don't bother with these hoes, don't let these hoes bother me. They see pictures, they say goals, bitch I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chillin' some babe, I might just tools. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't want to choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody move. If you a pussy, you get popped. You a goofy, you a op. Bitch, you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And I just check my account, turns out I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. I put my hand up my hip, I bet you dip, he dip, she dip. I say, I get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove, my pussy glitter is gold. Tell that little bitch, play her bro. I just don't over no rolls, I just came up in a rave. I need to fill up the tank, no, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these hoes know they none of their niggas is fake. I go to dinner and steak, only the real can relate. I used to live in the peace, now it's the crib with the gate. Only got charms, the life of the grave. I should let these bitches go, just in case these hoes forgot. I just wanna check them more, another check from all of the top. Bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick, cut a nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money move. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you now speak, that means I don't rub with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch, I make bloody moves.
Drive me a dessert. No time to have you lurking. You make a white man, you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. Something about that work, 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 work. Nah, 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 nah. When you walk out, nah, 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 nah. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel work, 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 work. You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da, 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 da. Something about that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la, 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 la. When the girlfriend, my da, 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 da.
So sad. This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. Hit my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I said the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I gotta open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. So and said, so and said, so and said.
Duffels in my hands. I did half a Zen, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy, like a light, ayy. Slept through the flight, ayy, not for the night, ayy. 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man. I still got scores to settle, man. I crept down the block, made a right, yeah. Cut the lights, paid the price, yeah. Niggas think it's sweet, just on sight, yeah. Nothing nice, Vegas in my ice, Jesus Christ. Checks over stripes, yeah, that's what I like, that's what we like. Lost my respect, you not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like I'm Brooke, wet like I'm Lizzie. I'll be spinning valley circle blocks till I'm dizzy. Like where is he? No one seen him, tryna clean him. She's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the FBO with doubles in my hands. I did half a Zen, 13 hours till I land.
This one is for the boys with the booming system. Top down AC with the cooling system. When he come up in the club, he be blazing up. Got stacks on deck like he's saving up. And he ill, he real, he might got a deal. He pop bottles and they got the right kind of bill. He cold, he dope, he might sell. He always in the air, but he never flies out. Yeah, mother, drip, drip, sell her all the drip, drip. When he make it drip, drip, kiss him on her lip. Like that's the kind of dude I was looking for. And yes, you'll get slapped if you're looking. I said, excuse me, you're a hell of a guy. I mean, my, you're like pelican fly. I mean, you're so shy, and I'm loving your tie. You're like slicker than the guy with the thing on his eye. Oh. Yes, I did. Somebody please tell him who the F I is. I am Nicki Minaj, I met them dudes up. Back hoops up with your use
Alright you guys, so this is officially the finished look, and today I reviewed a 5x5 or maybe it was a 4x4. I don't know, it was an HD closure nonetheless, and I made it into a side part because I didn't want to wear my hair in a middle part because I recently did like a 30-inch unit and that was in the middle part. So I was like, okay, let me see what I could finesse with a side part, and this is what I was able to do. You guys cannot even tell that this is a closure wig. This unit is a 32-inch unit, so it's super duper long, as you guys can see. This is actually my very first 32-inch unit. I've never had anything longer than 30 inches, so this is really exciting for me. I can't say that I'm really excited to try anything longer than this. I feel like this is my cap, and y'all know I love me some long hair, but the problem with long hair is that you sit on it half the time, you're yanking your head a lot because the hair is so long and it does like get caught up and stuff. 32 inches is probably the longest that I'm willing to go. I know that there are 40-inch units out there, and that's awesome, but I feel like that's just a little bit extreme for me personally in my taste. I do want to turn to the side real quick just so you guys can see what my side part is giving. It is a pretty deep side part, might I add. It's not like a short part, so it's a deep side part unit. And you guys see what I did. I basically put the whole closure all right here. So from my ear here all the way up to my forehead right here, this is all of the closure. But I honestly feel like this can only really work with like a 5x5 closure. I don't really see this working with a regular 4x4 closure. You could, but I just feel like your part wouldn't be as deep. And another thing that I did to like make my part seem deeper, and I do this with all of my side parts by the way, I usually take hair from like this middle section and bring it down and around so that it makes it look like the hair is coming out a little further, and then it makes it look like you see the part is going like that, you know, instead of just going like straight back from right here. So that's just a way to give yourself a little extra something something on the side. So if you have a closure unit and you're pretty much over it, I would highly suggest to try putting it in a side part like this. Now, I didn't really over pluck this section because I knew that I was going to eventually wear it in the middle part again. But if you do decide to only wear this hair on the side, I would highly suggest to just like kind of pluck this area a lot more than I did. But because I am going to style this wig in a different way, I didn't want to like have it over plucked and then when I have it in the middle, it's going to have one side over plucked, one side regular. I don't want to have to deal with that. So that's why I just left my edges as they were. Has a nice deep parting space. It doesn't look like a closure. And then this is what my edges are looking like. I have the little sideburn action. Like that's what I'm saying. You see like my sideburns move. They're not like stiff. Yeah, this hair is absolutely beautiful. You guys see how silky bone straight it is. And I did not put a lot of product on my hair today, as you guys saw. Now I did use a heat protectant prior to even doing anything in this unit. You guys saw when I first came on camera that my hair was already pretty much parted and everything. And I did pre-part my wig on a mannequin head or a canvas block. And I would highly suggest doing that when it comes to styles like this because it just makes it a lot easier for yourself. Then I use water and I spray it and then I comb the hair and then I let the hair dry. And that's the way that I train the hair to stay in whatever style that I want. Because you guys know, typically most wigs, especially closure wigs, they come in the middle part. They don't really come in a side part or a curved part like this. So that is what I did to go ahead and customize the unit. Now, I do get this question quite often, and I did want to let you guys know that I did bleach the knots on this unit, and I did pluck this unit, and I highly suggest that you should always do that for any wig that you receive. Unless it's like a pink unit or green or something like that, then obviously you don't need to bleach the knots, but you do need to pluck it. You should pluck every wig and customize every wig. Just because I don't show it on camera, it doesn't necessarily mean that it didn't happen. It saves a lot of time in the video if I don't include every single step. So that's the only reason why I cut those things out of the video, but I highly suggest that you customize every single unit that you wear, okay? So I'm 5'3", you guys. I'm pretty short. So if you guys want to know how long the hair is on me, this is how long the hair is on me, and I am 5'3", so it goes past my butt. You guys see it goes down. You guys can see I'll sit on this little thing. But yeah. So this is where the hair is hitting me in the back. Like I said, it's super duper long, you guys. Like this hair is so long. I absolutely love it. So another thing that I really loved about this unit was the fact that it is extremely full. I'm not sure of the density on this unit, but I will ask the company and make sure that they include it when they send over the links. But I really like how full this unit is. It's not thin, and I feel like a lot of times when it comes to long hair, the longer the hair, you guys know, back in like the bundle days, which people are actually wearing weaves again, which we'll get into that in another day. But it is very interesting to me how back in the day you would get bundles. The longer the bundle, the less hair you actually got in the bundle. And then the same thing for, you know, some wigs. You know, the longer the wig, you know, the thinner it would be. But this unit is long and full, which I love. Even all the way down to the tips, it's not all super thin. You guys see, like, it's not paper thin. It only gets thin maybe at the very, very tips. Other than that, the hair is very full all the way down. But yeah, you guys, this hair is super full and thick, and I just absolutely love it. So I want to give a big thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring today's video and sending over this beautiful 32-inch closure unit. If you guys are interested in this wig, make sure you guys check out that description box down below for a direct link. And if you guys have any questions that I didn't answer in today's video, drop a comment down below and I'll get to you guys as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one. Bye.